In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Visio files in a Confluence page. We'll walk through the process from inside Confluence, starting from the main space view and ending with your Visio diagram successfully attached to a page. Even though the steps are very simple, I'll talk through them slowly and clearly so you can follow along the first time you try this. First, make sure you're in the correct Confluence space where you want your Visio file to live. At the top or side of your Confluence screen, look for the plus sign, which is usually labeled for creating new content. This plus sign is what you use whenever you want to add something new to your workspace, and in this case, we're going to use it to create a new page that will hold your Visio file. Click on the plus sign, and from the options that appear, choose Page. This tells Confluence you want to create a brand new page, rather than something like a blog post or another type of content. After you click Page, Confluence will open a blank page editor for you. Once the editor is open, click anywhere in the main page area so that it's active. You can give your page a clear title, like Network Diagram Visio, or any name that helps your team understand what this file is about. You can also add a short description or some context in the body, such as what the diagram covers or when it was last updated. This is optional but helpful for future reference. Now it's time to bring in your Visio file. On your computer, open the folder where your Visio file is stored. You can resize your windows so that you can see both the folder and the Confluence page at the same time. This makes it easier to drag and drop. Click and hold on your Visio file in your folder, then drag it over to the Confluence page editor. When you hover over the page, you should see a highlighted area or a message indicating that you can drop files to upload them. Release the mouse button to drop the file onto the page. Confluence will automatically upload the Visio file as an attachment and display it on the page. After the upload finishes, you can adjust the placement of the file on the page if needed, then make sure to publish or update the page so your changes are saved and visible to